All right, guys, what's up? Happy Friday. Finally, it's Friday. I'm so excited to head into the weekend. We are moving to the beach tomorrow, so I got a lot of packing and stuff to do. So I'm done trading. It's 1:20 p.m. Eastern, and I had overall a day that I'm extremely happy about. But it doesn't mean that I didn't take a little bit of a punch on the chin. And for those of you who think that trading is all fun and games and you never lose, no, 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 that's not the way it goes. It's going to try you and test you, and you better be resilient and be able to bounce back, or this market is going to chew you up and spit you out for sure. Um, which, before I even get started and sort of recap my day, I just want you guys to know, like, I'm super excited about the Discord. It's awesome. I'm really excited about everything we got going on the channel, and it's super sweet to see people benefiting from the stuff I'm sharing, which I think is a lot of fun to interact with you guys. And I just want to say one thing, that um, anybody that's coming looking for handouts, you're going to be disappointed, because it's not going to be a place where it's like, buy here, sell here, do nothing, get fucking rich. That's not the way trading's, going to work. Now, if you want to come and you want to learn and you want to put time and effort and sacrifice, I'll teach you what I know. I'll teach you my custom indicators, my chart setups, everything. There's enough money in these markets for all of us to make money, but the market doesn't let go of that money easily, right? You got to go get that money from the market, and it takes a shitload of hard work, dedication, and yeah, you got to have some brain power too. So, the world is not a equal and fair place. Not everybody's cut out to be a professional trader. You've really got to have the mindset and the drive, to just work hard. And every time you get punched, you got to keep getting back up. You got to keep getting back up. And you really got to accept personal responsibility for your results. That is so key, the personal responsibility aspect of this. I see so many people out there on other Discords and social media, and they're all just looking for a handout and a free ticket. It's like, hey, I would have loved to just have somebody tell me, hey, do A, B, and C. You're fucking rich, retire, surf every day, you're fucking done. That's not the way trading works, right? And I know I'm dropping some F bombs here, but some of the shit I see out there, I'm just like, are people brain dead? It doesn't make sense to me. But anyways, I know that's not you guys, but I just kind of wanted to get that off my chest. I was reading through some comments on YouTube channels and other Discords last night, and look at some of these gurus, and it's just incredible. It just blows my mind. All right, so let's get into the daily recap here. I will do the full analysis video for Monday on Sunday night, because I'm not going to do it now. So you'll have that on Sunday night. That'll be nice. So basically here, what you can see is, for those of you who watched the analysis video last night, you know that I said I expected a lot of support right here, right at 22,070. Because remember, we don't know this is going to happen. And that's a key insight to have as a trader. You really have to accept that you never know what's going to happen. And if you really accept that, you're going to be able to adapt on the fly and trade, trade the market that's in front of you, right? Instead of, being caught like a deer in the headlights, right? You've got to be able to really adapt. And that adaptation will come when you've deeply and truly accepted that you don't have a fucking clue what's going to happen. Every day, no matter how good my analysis is, I'm always thinking to myself, hey, okay, I got my levels, I got my ideas, but do I really know what's going to happen? No, I don't. So I go in with a game plan, but I'm also very aware of what the market is doing. And if I need to adjust, I adjust. I don't like marry my idea and I have to be right. Those who have to be right, that's going to be a quick ticket to failure in trading if you have to be right and you can't take losses. I mean, Tom Hugard is, one of my favorite traders, great trader. I talk with him sometime private messaging. He's just a really good guy, very, like a big heart. He wrote The Best Loser Wins. That was a good book. And what he means by that is that if you can't take losses, this is not the right profession or hobby or whatever for you, right? You got to be able to take losses. That's the most important part. So I say all that. I've got a purpose to this. It's because here, when I thought this support level would be strong, right? Well, I was running my Tradeify range trading strategy today because I was confident that the range was going to hold and that we were going to push higher. I even went a few extra contracts, which I don't usually do. That's how confident I was that with the $2.7 trillion options expiration today, right? I was looking at the dealers and the gamma and all that kind of stuff. I was like, yeah, I got a lot of support here. With the options expiration, it should be choppy. I'm going to really bet on this. And guess what? I got punched in the face and took a big hit on my Tradeify accounts. Now, it's fine. They're still in play. It's no big deal. And I'll probably run them back up and hopefully still get to my third payout. But, did that hurt to be that close to a big payout, $18,000, and then take a nice draw on those accounts? Yeah, that hurts a lot, right? So what I could have done is I could have let that, affect me. And I could have let that, make me, cry and whine and whatever. Or I could have revenge traded because I could have said to myself, okay, well, look, this level, really got blown out, but, there's got to be a bottom here somewhere. And then, take some other accounts and keep buying and keep bottom fishing. I could have done that if I was married to my view heading into today. And if I was married to my outlook and if I knew I had to be right, it would have been a fucking disaster today. Thankfully, I've been around this game a long time. That's not how it went for me. As soon as that key level that I identified started to break, I knew we were off to the races to the downside because we haven't had a lot of volatility lately. And that was a big, big break of that support level. So, did I stick my tail between my legs and go take a walk and, feel bad about my Tradeify losses? No, I immediately said, okay, there's opportunity here. Like, fine, I was wrong at first, but I know now that we're going to be off to the races to the downside, and I want to take part in this. So what did I do? Well, I had one of my other Top Step XFAs. I got 4 now. I had 5. It was, I want to say a couple of weeks ago, I went aggressive on a trade. I lost one. So that happened. I can't remember when that happened, but I got 4. So I've been trading my 4th one, just taking some small losses, kind of, trying some different strategies. And today on that account here, and by the way, these blurs are not for the Top Step account. They're for the next screen I'm going to show you, which is my live trading account. So here, I didn't trade these 3 XFAs, the ones I've been already taking lots of payouts on. And I just didn't want to trade those. But this account here, right? When I saw that we were breaking out to the downside, when that key level started to break, I went for it. I traded 3 contracts and I held. I don't know what I made on this trade, but it was something like 170 NASDAQ points on 3 contracts. It was a $9,800 winner, but I was already a little negative in that account. So it brought the balance back to 6,500. So, that was a fantastic trade to be able to hit that winner on that Top Step XFA. And guess what? I was so confident that that level was breaking and I wanted to be rewarded. I wanted to be rewarded for my mental flexibility in being able to, what Tom Hugard calls, flip the switch, right? So I have not been doing much live trading on my live account this year. And the reason is because I've just been killing it with prop firms. I'm like, why would I want to risk my own money when I can just trade with prop firms, right? It's a much better risk proposition. But recently I put 10 grand into an account and I was like, if I see really good opportunities, I'm going to be super aggressive with this account. Today, I saw one of those opportunities, right? So what you can see right here, and this is why I got the blurs. Guys, this is a live account. It's real. I don't know what to tell you if you want, there's going to be, well, it's demo and this and that. It's not. I covered up my account ID up in there. And then you got some other sensitive information here and some other information here. So you can see on this particular account, I funded it. Where's my mouse? With 10 grand. And, I took a $900 loss, I want to say last week or something. So that was fine. This is what that account's for. And today, when I saw this market bombing to the downside, I'm like, fuck it. I'm going to load up. So here on this particular account, I made, I had P&L of about $8,600 on that trade, right? I caught a good chunk of that move on my live account. So that's pretty sweet that my live account, started the day, whatever it was, like around 10 grand, 9 grand, and then finishes the day at like 17, 18 grand because I had, the mental flexibility. And it's not like, I'm not saying this, oh, look at me. I'm doing it to help you guys and teach you that it's a big, big lesson today. And that's the whole point of this channel, like to share with like what I'm going through and how I trade, because I have had some success. And for those of you who pay attention, you're going to get a lot of value and it's going to help, quicken your journey by taking these nuggets to heart. So I want to show you what happens on a day like this where I'm originally dead fucking wrong in my analysis, but then end the day feeling pretty damn good. Okay, did I take a little draw on my Tradeifys? I did. I'm not happy about that. Not the end of the world. Those accounts are still very much in play. Can definitely run those back up and get a fat payout still. So that's fantastic. And even if I blow those accounts, that's fine too. I mean, it happens, especially with prop firms, you're going to blow accounts, right? You can't be focused on that. You got to be focused on trying to get the profits going, right? So to head into the weekend and know that I got that Top Step XFA balance from about negative $3,000 up to a positive $6,500 balance, that's awesome. That's $6,500 real money in that Top Step XFA that I didn't have this morning that I have now, right? And then not only that, this 8,600 in this account, this is cash. I love it when it's in my own account. I can go spend it this weekend. I won't, but it's a really good feeling when you make the trades in your own personal account. You don't have to do consistency rules. You don't have to do $200 days. You don't have to put in a payout request, none of this stuff. So anyways, overall, I would say by and by a very, very good day. I wish I could have got, everything working, but I'm happy with the results. And look, whatever you guys, wherever you're at on your journey, I just think that like these things that I'm trying to share with you guys, there's so much fluff and so much bullshit out there that it's just infuriating to see like the level of just, I don't even have a word for it, but so I want to just give it to you how it is. Like, this is my life. I trade for a living. I've got a little 5-year-old daughter who's amazing, but drives me nuts, half the time, not to mention trying to trade. She's coming in, she's having meltdowns like 5-year-olds do. Like, this is real life trading, right? My wife's pregnant, we're traveling around the world. We're going down to the beach in Costa Rica. Like, it's a lot to juggle. And, the sooner you take personal responsibility for your life, your trading, like that's when things are going to start coming together for you. There's so many people out there. They just want everything done for them. And that's just not the way trading works. So I think those are the key lessons for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Try to remember to like and share and subscribe and all that kind of stuff. We do have the Discord going. I will post the link of our Discord below the video in the description box. For those of you who haven't joined, I think we only launched it yesterday. We already got like 25 people in there. So that's cool. And I'm enjoying it. We're having a good time, but we're going to keep it. It's going to be a good, clean, focused Discord, right? We're not all going to sit in there and sing Kumbaya and talk about nothing. Like, I'm here to make money, and that Discord is there for me to try and help those of you who want to work hard also make money. So if you're the kind of person that wants to come to Discord and just get a bunch of handouts, not the right Discord for you. If you want to come and learn and work hard, then it's going to be a great atmosphere because we got a lot of cool people in there. All right. Take care, you guys. Happy weekend. I'll do an Instagram video. I haven't been doing much of those lately because I don't really use Instagram. I'm not an influencer. I'm a trader. With that said, like my parents and my family back in the States, they're following our journey. So I do the videos and upload it. And, if you guys want to watch the Instagram stuff too, you can. It's the same as my YouTube channel at Andy_Owings. I'll do some short videos just from the beach. It's called Jaco Beach in Costa Rica. And I'm going to buy my surfboard first thing tomorrow. I can't wait, man. So I'll film the surfboard, show you guys what I bought. So yeah, this $8,600 that I made my live account today, $600 of that'll go to a sweet surfboard tomorrow. So stoked about that. All right, you guys, cheers, take care, and hope you guys had a good trading day. Bye.